Hi, welcome to Wealth Mill Securities Weekly Market Wrap. Kranti Batni here, and season greetings and Merry Christmas to all our investors across the globe. The bull market, unprecedented bull market is going on in Indian markets. In the third week of December also, foreign portfolio investors, they are the net buyers on daily basis. With the outpouring of money that's coming from foreign portfolio investors, Indian markets are inching every day to a new territory. Last week on Monday, markets witnessed a turbulent day and it was very high volatile day. Markets, the main indices, Nifty as well as Sensex, they came down significantly. It's a sharp cut. There are some reasons, but if we see the data on last Monday, just foreign portfolio investors, they sold to a tune of 300 crores. But whereas if we see the ferocity of fall, it was so severe. Sensex came down nearly 1500 points, whereas the Nifty came down nearly 500 points. It's a significant cut. But the volume data is very minuscule. Probably it might be the reason there was a glitch on stock exchanges. On NSE there was a glitch, many orders got cancelled, so the required investigation has to be done. But overall, markets witnessed a turbulent day on Monday, and investors, they become very nervous and they were thinking the correction started in the market. And there are traders who started shorting the market. To the surprise of the investors, as I have told last week, expect the unexpected things in the market. When the entire market universe, entire investors, when they were thinking about this is the fall of the market, but whereas from Tuesday onwards, there is a complete rebound in the market. Every day market have been going up and it is going into a new territory. Only the month of December alone, till date, foreign portfolio investors, they pumped in nearly 80,000 crores into Indian markets. That is the kind of liquidity flow that is coming into Indian markets at present. As it's Christmas season, there is a Santa Claus rally is going on, and we can say the foreign portfolio investors are the Santas to Indian stock markets, especially. As the scripture says in Holy Bible, speak the truth and truth will set you free. I just want to bring some of the important things to the investors, the truths in the market. Because last Monday, when markets are coming down, investors, they got panicked. And in the month of March and in the month of February, investors are shaken with panic. The one foremost thing one of every investor need to habituate in the markets is, whenever there these kind of excessive or whenever these kind of sharp cuts, use these kind of market corrections to enter into markets. And also, whenever the market goes up, that is the time to sell any stock in the market. Whenever the stock market comes down, whenever there is a deep cut, that is the time to enter into the market. But most of the investors, they do a vice versa. When the market is going up, they keep on buying. When the market is coming down, they try to exit out of the market. That's why most of the retail investors lose their money or they don't make any money in markets. The investors who are successful in markets are always positive on the market and they are very optimistic in the market. Of course, one of the things you need to habituate in the market is having a optimistic mindset. And also you need to be skeptic whenever there are excessive exuberances in the market. I just want to tell about certain truths, because many of the investors, we have the problem today is we have too much information from WhatsApp, information from social media, information from different fund houses across the globe. I would like to bring to your notice, first and foremost thing is, whenever there is a buzzing news, that is the time you need to be very extra careful in the market. For example, I would like to bring to your notice, in the year 2007, one of the finest research houses across the globe, that is Goldman Sachs, they written a report on crude oil, predicting that crude oil is going to hit $250 in the year 2007. They written a report, crude oil is going to hit $250 per barrel in the coming days. Contrary to their report, we observed crude oil hitting to a low of $14 per barrel. And also in the year 2016, the famous Citigroup, they have written a report that if Trump come into power in 2016, markets are going to witness a big sharp correction. Contrary to Citigroup view, markets witnessed all-time high levels, and also last 4 years, the markets in US, they witnessed a fabulous bull rally, and Dow went to lifetime high during last 4 years. And beginning of November, when US went into elections, everybody predicted if Trump is not coming, markets are going to collapse. Whereas contrary to the view, markets taken Joe Biden as the president, and market are keep on rallying right now. And also Asian markets are rallying, as we shared in our previous videos. In the beginning of November, you just go and check our videos. As Indian markets, we are in a emerging markets, and as the debt cycle in India is in the middle of the economy is in a middle of the debt cycle, we will be focusing at how the money that's going to flow towards the emerging markets from the US markets, and also Indian markets, how much Indian markets is going to receive the emerging market pie of flows in the days to come. This is the crucial thing we need to wait and watch for next couple of quarters. Once Joe Biden elected as the president, we confirmed to all our investors there is going to be a rally in Asian markets and emerging markets, and India is going to witness a fabulous flows of FIIs in India. The same is happening in Indian markets currently. The same kind of flows as predicted by us are coming into the markets at present. So always try to be a contrarian in the market, and just don't go with the crowd. Don't just carried about the market thoughts and the nuisance in the market. Have your own investment strategy. Have a long-term approach and try to be stock specific. Use every dip in the market to accumulate the stocks further. And 2020 is going to be a significant year in the history books of stock markets. We witnessed a deep cut in the market, and we witnessed a ballistic recovery in the markets. Markets are always forward-looking animals. They try to price the growth that's going to come into the markets, into the companies. That can be 6 months to sometimes it can be 24 months. Market try to price in the future growth. That's why you don't find any kind of growth right now, but market try to discount, market try to price in the future growth of earnings of the companies. Indian economy is going to be in a very positive territory. It can be growing in the range of 7 to 8% by the year 2021 and 22. That's why markets are currently going in a very positive uptrend direction. Having said that, markets have witnessing a fabulous rally. Any dip in the market is a very good opportunity for the investors to enter into the market and to buy the chip, to buy the stocks at a decent valuations. Our strategy at Wealth Mill Securities at present, wherever there are excessive profits in our portfolios, we are trimming the profits for our investors, and we are slightly increasing the cash ratios in our portfolios. The main reason is if any kind of dip comes on a single day, we try to enter into those stocks, we try to accumulate the stocks further. That is the only reason. Our long-term strategy remains positive and long-term strategy remains the same. Whereas for the shorter term, we are trying to just extra cautious. There are many stocks which are trading at a decent valuations. You can give a call to our research team. We are more than happy to evaluate your portfolio and more than happy to tell about the stocks that are trading at a very decent valuations. Couple of weeks back, we shared about a company by name ABB Power Products when the stock was trading at 1000. Currently, the stock is trading at 1330 and the stock has given nearly 40% from the lows of 950. Still, we are optimistic about this company and the fundamentals of this company, but we try to take some profits from the table at every up move in the stocks. Yeah, while coming to the stock specific action is concerned, we are not a people who upload our clients with every week a new stock. Whatever be the stocks we have been sharing from quite a long time, these are all good stocks. Piramal Enterprises trading at 1450 is a very good stock to accumulate at these levels with a long-term perspective. Bharat Seeds, it's a very good company to enter at these levels. Many stocks, what we have been advocating to all our investors, they are trading at a decent valuations. Investors with a long-term outlook, they can enter into these stocks and they can accumulate these stocks at every dip. Because our focus is always investors need to have a concentrated portfolio. That's where you can buy, you can create a portfolio and create wealth. If there are 52 weeks in a year, if I have been keep on recommending every week one stock, your money will not grow anywhere. Just keep in mind, there are large cap, there are mid cap, there are small cap, micro cap and ultra micro cap, and there is one more cap that's called as Bangar cap, that is a scrap cap. If you get any kind of these scrap into your portfolio, that create a big destruction. So have a concentrated portfolio, understand the fundamentals. Just give a call to us if you have any doubt about any fundamentals. Have a long-term vision. Whenever the market comes down, take that as an opportunity to create wealth for you. Once again, I wish you all, our investors, season greetings. God bless you all. Thank you.